Yeah, three agriculture businesses that can make you rich. Three agriculture businesses that can make you rich. Number one is the farming. Number one is farming, and farming will continue to exist. Number one is farming. Why did I mention farming as the number one thing? Because people are going to continue to exist and people are going to be eating. So there is going to be a lot of demand in that particular area. So if you are having a land, then try to find a way of using that land to cultivate it and plant a lot of, if it is any series or anything that can just be like anything related to food, plant it there and make sure you study within the area to see the demand of that particular food that you are going to be producing. So the farming industry is a booming industry that you need to go into it. And first one is that of just farming of plant and vegetables is one of the areas. It's in demand. People are going to be in need of vitamins and other things, so they will always be in need of that. And also, as it can be that of farming of maize and any cereals, like anything related to cereals, just all that is in demand. So the second thing I'll talk about is the livestock. The livestock area is also a good area because people are going to be eating meat all the time, and there's always going to be a demand for meat. So if you are able to open that kind of business, or you are able to open a livestock, like where you rear your livestock and you sell it out. If it is sheep, especially sheep is in high demand. One sheep you can sell it for a good amount. If it is also good, the same thing. Sometimes some goats they are even costly than sheep sometimes. And let's say sometimes you don't need to even invest much. Sometimes we have some local chickens. You can also invest in them. So these chickens, they will just be roaming. The only thing is maybe you feed them morning in the and evening, and they will just be there, and you can sell them out for a big profit, especially when they hatch. So they can hatch about 10, and when they are able to succeed, let's say, and you sell each for about 50 cedis. So 50 multiplied by 10, that will be about 500. That's a big amount. So let's say you are having that one about 500. It's going to be a big amount, and you are not going to sell them and stop. You're going to continue to do it. And the next thing that I'll talk about is, but that one in fact is costly. It's actually costly to start. That will be the fish farming. It's actually costly to start, but when you look at the statistics and how the demand is, it's in high demand because everybody eat fish. Almost everybody eat fish. And if you are now a supplier, and most people, they like fresh fish. If you are like, you open a fish pond and the fingerless, you put them there, you can buy them. Yes, the small ones, they are not going to be costly, but it needs a lot of investment because you are going to be building the fish pond. And when you put them within 3 months, you can harvest them. You can harvest it and put another ones there. So it's a lucrative business as well. And one, like 5 kilograms, you're going to make a lot of money. Let's say even you can get, if you are a day, let's say if a day you are able to sell 10 or 20 fish as well, if they are somehow big, and you're able to sell 5 to 10 or even 20 fish a day, you're going to be earning passive income. That one will be a passive income because you're not going to be investing most of your time in it. It's going to be a passive income, and you're going to make a lot of money out of that. So guys, make use of these opportunities, and you're going to thank me later. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow the page for more tips like this. Bye bye for now.